G'day guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to do the cool glitch effect. You might have seen the glitch effect on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram and wondered how it was done. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you step by step of how to do it. Because it's such a cool effect, I thought a great character to do, one that I love, is the Mandalorian. Once you get the idea behind the glitch effect, you can almost do it on anything you want. Let's get into it. First things first, grab a piece of paper. I'm using cartridge for this one. You might be thinking, what should I draw? Something simple that hasn't got too much detail is a great place to start for the glitch effect. Start by sketching out your idea, taking your time to make it look really good. Today, I'm going to be tracing the Mandalorian using the A3 LED light panel that I like to use in some of my classes when I want students to reproduce their work a number of times. Once you're happy with your sketch, grab a black Posca marker and outline your picture. Take time to do the best possible job you can. Now for the fun part. Grab a red Posca marker and start going around your outlines. On the left of your outlines, on all the inner details as well. Make sure you do a really good job with this one. You guessed it, once you're done with the red, grab yourself your blue Posca marker and go to the right hand side of all the details. Include the inner details as well. Once you've done your red and blue outline, it's time to do the glitch effect. In this video, I'm starting with the blue flicks and I'm flicking them out to the right using my Posca marker. Try and keep your lines horizontal. Grab your red Posca marker. You can use a ruler, but in this one, I'm not. I like to flick my lines out to the left using the red Posca marker. And I also like to use something called the rule of odds. I use 3 lines or 1 line or 5 lines, but mostly I use 3 lines and I flick them out. Lastly, what you need to do is make sure your work's dry and grab yourself a white Posca marker and go over the top. Go over the black and all the red and blue lines in certain areas. Spread it out a bit, make it even. You may need to do 2 layers with this one. I know I did. Once you're happy with your coloured outlines, make sure you grab your black Posca marker and go over any of the outlines that you may have accidentally gone over. I know I did. If you haven't, well done. If you have, go over it. Trust me, it looks way better. Yeah, that's how you do the glitch effect. I'm really happy with how my Mandalorian turned out. I hope you are happy with your drawing at home. And remember, make sure you like and comment below. And if you've got any questions, or let me know which glitch effect character that you've had a go at. Love to hear about it. Even send me through some finished results. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've had a great time learning about the glitch effect. And I'll see you in the next vid. Cheers. Bye. See ya.